Vivo Product Review. Vivo is a Chinese smartphone brand that has gained popularity in recent years for its high-quality smartphones that offer great features and value for money. In this paragraph, we will evaluate some of the key factors that make Vivo smartphones stand out, including design, performance, cameras, battery life, and software. Design. Vivo smartphones are known for their sleek and modern design, with thin bezels and high-quality materials. Many Vivo smartphones feature a glass back and metal frame, giving them a premium look and feel. The phones come in a range of colors, including classic black, white, and gold, as well as more vibrant colors such as blue and red. Performance. Vivo smartphones offer great performance, with fast processors and plenty of RAM. Many Vivo smartphones are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, which offer speedy performance and efficient power usage. The phones also feature ample storage space, allowing users to store a large number of apps, photos, and videos. Cameras. Vivo smartphones are known for their excellent cameras, which offer high-quality photos and videos. Many Vivo smartphones feature a range of camera lenses, including wide-angle, telephoto, and macro lenses, allowing users to capture a range of different shots. The cameras also offer features such as night mode and portrait mode, which enhance the quality of photos taken in low light conditions or with a blurred background. Battery life. Vivo smartphones offer great battery life, with many models featuring large batteries that can last all day. The phones also feature fast charging technology, allowing users to quickly charge their phone when needed. Software. Vivo smartphones run on the company's FunTouch OS, which is based on Android. The software offers a range of features and customization options, allowing users to personalize their phone to their preferences. The software also offers features such as gaming mode, which enhances the gaming experience by optimizing the phone's performance and minimizing distractions. In terms of customer support, Vivo offers a range of services to help users get the most out of their smartphones. Vivo's customer support team is available via phone, email, and live chat, and the company also offers a range of online resources, such as user manuals and tutorials, to help users troubleshoot any issues they may encounter. In conclusion, Vivo smartphones are a great choice for users who want a high-quality smartphone at an affordable price. The phones offer great design, performance, cameras, battery life, and software, making them a great option for users who value these features in a smartphone. While there may be some potential drawbacks, such as limited availability in some regions and a lack of brand recognition compared to other smartphone brands, Vivo smartphones are still a top choice for users who want a high-quality smartphone at a great value. Another factor that makes Vivo smartphones stand out is their focus on innovation and technology. Vivo is known for its cutting-edge technology, including features such as in-display fingerprint sensors, pop-up selfie cameras, and 5G connectivity. For example, the Vivo X60 Pro Plus features a gimbal camera system that allows users to capture stable and high-quality photos and videos, even while moving. This focus on innovation and technology sets Vivo apart from other smartphone brands and makes their phones a great choice for users who want the latest and greatest technology in their smartphone. Moreover, Vivo is committed to sustainability and social responsibility. The company has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, such as using eco-friendly materials and reducing energy consumption in its manufacturing processes. Vivo also supports various